Hi guys. When it comes to getting a pair of headphones, I'm willing to bet there aren't too many people that know Bang & Olufsen, B&O. Those with keen eyes might recognize the company's products from those times they were browsing the Apple Store, waiting for a Genius Bar appointment. Before that, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you. For a company that's known for placing a strong emphasis on design, I'm a little disappointed with the actual Beoplay E8 earbuds. But first, let's start with the charging case that they come in. The case is gorgeous. The leather exterior has an elastic band that make it easy to wrap around the keychain holder in your bag, so you always know where it is. It's also pill-shaped like the one that the Samsung Gear IconX comes in. However, B&O engineers actually thought about how it would look in your pocket, unlike Samsung, and made the case more flat and elliptical than it is round. That means when you pocket the case, it doesn't look like there's a giant tic-tac in your pocket. It's the attention to the little details like this that makes them great at design, and at first, I was really impressed. But then I opened the case. True wireless earbuds are, by definition, smaller than headphones because they need to rest in your ear instead of on top of them. But it looks like the company kept the same size logo from their large over-ear headphones.